In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out a picture in Canva. If you're trying to get the perfect view or simply want to change the focus of your design, adjusting your image's zoom is a handy skill to master. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to have your design open in Canva. Once you're there, look for the image you want to adjust. If you haven't uploaded it yet, click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand menu, select Upload Files and choose the picture from your device. Once it's uploaded, go ahead and drag this image onto your canvas. Now here's where the magic happens. To start adjusting the zoom of your image, click on the image itself. A toolbar will appear above your design. In this toolbar, you will see different options that you can use to edit your image. You're looking for the option that lets you adjust the image's zoom level. This tool often looks like a circle icon with slider bars, typically located near the crop or adjust buttons on the toolbar. If you're having trouble finding it initially, take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the tools available here. This practice will enhance your proficiency in using Canva. Once you've clicked on this icon, you'll notice a slider appear, usually underneath the picture. Think of this slider as a zoom control. By dragging the circle icon to the left, you'll zoom out, allowing more of the picture to fit into your canvas area. Slide it to the right and the picture will zoom in, magnifying certain details. Take your time here to play around with this tool, as visualizing the composition you're aiming for can take a bit of tweaking. Zoom out gently and observe how your design accommodates the new size, adjusting subtly for the perfect presentation. After you feel content with the zoom adjustment, don't forget to click Done or an equivalent confirmation button to lock in your changes. This step ensures that you've saved the modifications and that your design won't revert to its previous state. Remember, save your progress frequently by hitting the Save button in the upper right corner. Good habits prevent heartaches due to information loss. That wraps up our tutorial on zooming out an image in Canva. Whether you're creating a greeting card, a professional presentation, or just having fun with a creative project, knowing how to control the image's zoom gives you greater flexibility in designing a visually appealing layout. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting with different design elements to enhance your creative skills. See you in the next video.